Welcome back. Now we have news from sports.
The sports segment is brought to you by Khanna Balls, Khanna Sports Industries Private Limited, sports goods manufacturers and exporter, Delhi Road, Meerut.
Panji Gymkhana will take on Goa Police in the finals of the Bandodkar Trophy cricket tournament on Wednesday. Panji Gymkhana defeated Santines Sports Club while Goa Police thrashed Karimabad Sports Club in the semi-finals on Tuesday. The tournament is organised by Panji Gymkhana at Kampal.
In the first semi-final, hosts Panji Gymkhana defeated Santines Sports Club by 5 wickets. Winning the toss, Santines decided to bat and posted a total of 112 runs for the loss of 7 wickets in the allotted 20 overs. Govind Prasad with 49 runs was the top scorer for Santines. Imtiaz Sheikh chipped in with 20 runs. Manish Pednekar picked up 2 wickets for Panjim Gymkhana. In their chase, Gymkhana scored 116 runs, losing 5 wickets in 17.4 overs. Responsible innings of 43 runs from Paresh Miskin and Samir Chodankar with 30 runs drove Gymkhana home comfortably. Paresh Muni and Suryakant Naik took 2 wickets each for Santines. In the second semi-final, Goa Police thrashed Karimabad Sports Club by 9 wickets. Karimabad won the toss and opted to bat first. They posted a total of 102 runs in 17.5 overs. Pramod Naik with 29 runs not out was their top scorer. Vinod Wilson with 3 wickets and Dondu Toraskar with 2 wickets bowled well for Goa Police. In their reply, Goa Police hammered 104 runs, losing just 1 wicket in 13.3 overs. Raju Dabolkar scored an unbeaten 60-run knock and Kishore Sinari with 29 runs guided Goa Police to an easy victory. Our sports reporter from Panji, Patterson Fernandes, with video journalist Sushant Pal.
Sporting Club de Goa's I-League status is on the line. Going into the last match of the season, the Flaming Orange are at the bottom position and need a victory along with favourable results from 2 other matches to survive in the Elite League. However, coach Vishwas Gaonkar and his team are in a positive mood ahead of their final round match.
Sporting Club de Goa played Chirag United in their last I-League match of the season on May 28th in Kolkata. The Flaming Orange cannot afford to drop any points from this match. However, a win alone will not be sufficient. Other relegation battlers Shillong Lajong and Mumbai FC will have to lose their matches to secure Sporting's I-League status. In such a situation, Sporting's chances look slim, but anything can happen in a sport like football. Sporting Club coach Vishwas Gaonkar believes that the Panji-based club can still preserve their I-League status with a little help from God.
I have with me the coach of Sporting Club de Goa, Mr. Vishwas Gaonkar. Hello, Mr. Gaonkar. Last I-League match for Sporting Club de Goa and in a much-win situation. What is the current mood in the camp?
Boys are all ready to go. They are in a quite positive mood and they assure me that they are going to win this match.
Well, just winning for Sporting may not be sufficient. Lajong and Mumbai FC will have to lose their matches. What do you think is possible? Your realistic predictions?
No, they'll leave it to God. I think, and that because we have come so far, so definitely the result will be in our favour.
Okay. Now this match is against Chirag United. Your views about your opponents?
Of course, Chirag United is a very good team. They have played so well, but recently, the last second phase, they have not done so well. But still, as it is, they have home advantage. But still, we are very positive to win this match.
Okay. This has probably been Sporting's worst I-League performance. Do you feel referees' harsh decisions have been, the main reason that have got you to this status in the league?
Yes, there are some decision has gone against it, but it's a part of the game. You just cannot, because in the referee's opinion, everything is fair.
Okay. AIFF's decision of fielding their under 19 or under 21 team to replace Mahindra United, who have disbanded their team. Yeah. Do you feel that is a fair decision on their part?
No, it is actually, if you go to see, because as it is, I also opinion that when the TFA was qualified for this, they have not accepted them because they will be filled junior team. So, and if they fill junior team, that the standard of the I-League will go down. So, that same principle they should apply here.
Our sports reporter from Kalangut, Patterson Fernandez, with video journalist Sushant Bird.
And now, before we end our news bulletin, we have before you some beautiful images of waterfalls in the world. Have a look at these images and stay tuned to Prudent Media for more updates. Take care and goodbye.